Okay, here's a problem related to the position of the text inside Vegas Pro. So here's a text, that's the text itself on the timeline, and if we click on the first icon, generated media, then we can move the text itself, and as you can see, the selection, that rectangle, is not exactly over the text is outside. Plus, if I move it to the right, notice that the text is cut off even before reaching the right side of the video. It's disappearing. Okay, let's see how to fix that problem. Let's close this window and open the second one, which is event pen crop. Okay, and here on the position layer we have one keyframe and another keyframe. On the first keyframe, and this square is exactly over the darker gray square rectangle, but when we reach the second point, this one is not exactly over the darker area. Okay, so make sure you have only one keyframe. Let's say delete the first one, right click on it and delete. Okay, and this one, to center it, just right click on it and restore. Okay, now it's exactly over the other one. Close it and back to the first icon, generated media, and now the selection is exactly over the text, and when you move it, it's not cutting it off before reaching the right side of the video. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.